I'm rolling manager, and I've been rolling manager the last couple of years now, but I've actually worked as part of a team at Pro Roll for near on 15 years. I find my job quite interesting, knowing different parts of processes, what we do here. It's good to know the stuff we make into formula racing, into aerospace industry. Me and one other guy take turns each day to come in and light fires, charge up, get it all ready for when the rest of the team get here. We'll charge billets in for different companies, give them a soak time, make sure they're up to temperature. And then our furnace man will withdraw it from furnace, carry it down to the mill, where it goes through a sequence of passes to reduce it in size, shape. We try and work down nearest their tolerances, what they give us, and I think we do relatively well.
We can do jobs fairly quickly, whereas an automated mill, they need big orders for minimum requirements, where we can do like 50, 100 kilo jobs. Can do from 2.2 inch down to just under a quarter an inch, round, square bars, flat bars, hexagons. We can do many different shapes.
I found out about this rolling mill. I come down one time for an interview and watched the lads rolling. I thought I won't mind learning, doing something like this, and it's been great. With it being an hand rolling mill, if something were to go wrong while you're processing the billet, you can then stop what you're doing, retrace your steps on what went wrong on what particular roll, and it's a lot more easier to finesse, whereas an automated rolling mill couldn't do such a size. It's a lot more trickier to set up and get right. The methods how we roll are more unique to an automated rolling mill.
We've got a lot of younger people coming through and teach them the skill set, and hope we can continue and thrive being the only rolling mill left in Sheffield. I don't think there's a set time to mastering the art of rolling. People what don't know what hand rolling is might come in and think it's quite dangerous. I mean, you've got to have fast reactions and understanding of how dangerous the job can be. But it all pieces together with teamwork, because we all know where the next person is in the chain, and everybody clubs together and makes the job a lot more easy.
Well, my grandparents was in a rolling mill. He got all his sons into steelworks, and my dad got me the job here. So it's kind of in the family really to keep the tradition going.